Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we try to see LM35 temperature sensor interfacing with Arduino and displaying the temperature on LCD frames. That is nothing but as a 16 cross 2 display frames. So in normal, in some of the cases we have seen instead of a relevant value, it was displaying the 0 on the LCD or in a serial monitor frames. So that issues we try to discover in this video frames required. The first and most important thing will be the LM35. So this is the temperature sensor. So in our projects, we try to see 0 to 40 or 50 centigrade frames. So for this one, I have taken one LM35 frames. The second, the most important one will be the Arduino Uno R3 frames. You can see it over here. I am keeping over here frames. The third, the most important thing will be the 16 cross to LCD with as an I2C converter to LCD. It has been soldered, and from here we have taken the four wires, friends. You can see it over here. The four wires. You can see it over here, friends. And in order to do the rest of the connections, we need to have it as a breadboard, friends. I am keeping over here. And we need to have it as in a couple of a male to male converter. So I am keeping over here in order to get the power and flashing the code from the laptop. I am getting the USB A to B cable here, friends. So these are the now let us see the connections, friends. Onto here we see Uno R3. On to my left hand side we can see the 5 volts ground A0, A4 and A5. Here is LM35 temperature sensor will be here. The first one will be VCC 5 volts, the second one is the signal and output, the third one is the ground, friends. So this VCC I am taking over here and I am handovering to the VCC, friends. Second one with the ground, I am taking like this. You can see it. I am handovering the ground, friends. You can see it over here, friends. Now from the signal out, I am taking over here to A0 and handovering to the here, friends, analog signal, because this is analog device which will try to produce the analog voltage. Now let me take it as in a 16 cross 2 LCD. You can see it over here, friends. This is LCD over which it has been connected with I2C. This is the interface, and here it is having the four connections, friends. The first one will be the ground, sorry. The second one will be the VCC. The third one will be the SDA. The last one will be the SCL, friends. So this ground, you can see it over here. You can see it over. I'm taking over here and hand over into the ground. And this 5 volts, I'm taking over here and hand over into the VCC. You can see it. And this A4, I'm taking like this and hand over into the SDA. And this A5, I'm hand over into the SCL, friend. Now you can see it onto the screen, friends. Now you can see it onto the screen. So this is a typical connection for this circuit, friend.
At this junction, let me take an opportunity to showcase the playlist Arduino projects in our channel, friends. On the right hand side, you can see the available projects in our playlist, friends. If this resonates with your interest, please like it and watch it. And above that, if you have any comments, please write in the comment section, friends. Now let us come back to the main content,
Here,
friends.
and I'm taking the 16 cross 2 LCD, which is the ground. So we have the ground, two grounds are there. So I am keeping the one to the ground because I am having only 5 volts. The second one with the 5, so I am keeping over here, friends. One of the sides I am keeping, and so you can see it. The yellow one I am giving onto the A4, and orange one I am giving onto the A5, which is nothing but as an SC SDA and SCL friends. So this is the LCD connections friends. So I am keeping like this. And next I am taking LM35. So I am showing onto this side towards you. So the three. Now I have connected the LCD. Now let me take LM35 friends. So I am sticking over here. The first one will be the VCC friends. So you can take it as this wire and give it on to here friends. The second one will be the signal. So I am taking to the second one and hand overing to the A0 friends. You can see it. The third one will be the ground friends. So I am taking the third and hand overing to the ground because we have a two grounds onto the board friends. So this is the connections. The LM35 it has to face to audience friends. Thank you. Here I have opened the Arduino IDE 2.1.0 friends. Here you can see the SDA is connected to the A4, SCL is connected to the A5 and VCC is connected to the 5 volts and ground is connected to the Arduino ground friends. This is the LCD interface and now the LM35 is connected to the A0 which will analog to digital. We are using analog read friends. Now let us go to the liquid crystal underscore I2C, which is the instance we are giving the LCD. The first parameter is the I2C address. The second one with the number of characters it can display in a line, and third one will be the number of lines friends. In the setup we are doing the initialization, the lcd.init, lcd.backlight, lcd.setCursor and printing Arduino projects, and in the second line we are printing the temperature friends. Now let us go to the loop. First of all we are reading analog voltage and here we are taking the next variable as in float, the temperature value. So here if you make it as an 500 divided by 1024 we will get it as a 0 friends. So this is the issue. In 100 divided by 1024 we will get it as a 0 friends. So this is the issue. Instead of this one what we can do, we try to find the value of this one in a float using a calculator and we can copy this one and paste over here friends, such a way that you will not get the 0, you will get it as a relevant value friends. So this is the one of the tip I want to show to you. The second one will be it is not 5 volts, it is taking a reference. Internally it was taking the 1.1 volts as a reference. So instead of this one I need to replace with this one friends. So 500 divided by 1024, instead of that one 1.1 divided by 1024 into 100 friends. So that is nothing but the 0.10742187. This is the observation friends. The rest of the things it is straightforward. In the first line we are printing as an Arduino project. In the second line we are printing the temperature in Celsius, and in this one and again with as a delay of 1 second it is repeating over here friends. So like this loop function will be continued friends. Let me take it, compile. So it is successfully compiled. Now I am able to flash it.
So here is the demo friends. You can see it is displaying the 17 degrees centigrade friends. Like this we can also interface and get the required temperature displayed onto the LCD friends. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, without any hesitations, please write your doubts in the comment section friends. For more interesting updates, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much friends.